When you search for the best mattresses for stomach sleepers, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works for your sleeping needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Innite Queen Mattress. The Innite Queen Mattress is a 12-inch firm hybrid mattress that caught my attention with its heavy-duty design and cooling properties, priced at $289.99. If you want firm support that holds its ground without sagging, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mattress features 630 sag-resistant pocket coils that distribute weight evenly, which is crucial for stomach sleepers who need a flat, non-sinking surface to keep their spine aligned. The Nebuline cooling foam prevents overheating, so you won't wake up in a sweat. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 624 reviews, many buyers rave about its durability and support. Now, some people complained about it being too firm for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who prefers a softer feel, this might not be for you, but it's designed specifically to avoid the sinking feeling that many stomach sleepers experience. This is perfect for you if you need a firm surface that's built to last. Skip this one if you want a plush, soft mattress. For the price and quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if the Innite's firmness concerns you, this next option takes a different approach with extra support features. Product number 2, SleepMax King Size Mattress. The SleepMax King Size Mattress is a 14-inch hybrid mattress, priced at $599.99 that stands out with its pain-relieving design. If you want a mattress that provides a balance of comfort and support, this one's worth considering. It combines the supportive benefits of individually wrapped coils with layers of gel memory foam, which is essential for stomach sleepers needing spine alignment without sinking. This means your body weight is distributed evenly, reducing pressure points that can lead to discomfort. With a 4.5-star rating from 211 reviews, it's clear that many love the motion isolation it offers, perfect for sensitive sleepers. Now, some users mentioned it could take time to break in. Here's the thing though, once it does, the comfort and support really shine, especially for stomach sleepers needing that extra lumbar support. This is perfect for you if you value both softness and stability in your sleep. Skip this if you prefer a firmer mattress right out of the box. For its features, it's a fair price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for specific needs. Product number 3, Sleep 100 Queen Mattress. The Sleep 100 Queen Mattress is a 12-inch option priced at $269.99 that immediately caught my eye thanks to its unique lumbar and shoulder support features. If you want a budget-friendly mattress without sacrificing comfort, this is worth a serious look. The reinforced center zone gives extra support to your hips and lower back, helping to keep your spine aligned throughout the night. With a 4.4-star rating and over 1,100 reviews, it's clear that many owners appreciate its pressure relief capabilities. Now, some people reported a slight odor after unboxing. Here's the thing, this typically dissipates within a few days, and it's a common issue with many new mattresses. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a great mattress under $300. Skip this one if you're sensitive to odors. Given the features, it offers great value for money. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit of cooling technology, let's check out the next mattress. Product number 4, Sweet Night Cool Nest Mattress. The Sweet Night Cool Nest Mattress is a 14-inch hybrid priced at $549.99, and what caught my attention was its cooling technology. If you want a mattress that keeps you cool and comfortable all night, this is definitely worth a look. This mattress features a 3-stage cooling system, including an ice silk cover that provides an instant cool feel. The 600 individually wrapped coils offer fantastic support while minimizing motion transfer, making sure you won't disturb your partner. With a 4.6-star rating, it's clear people are loving the combination of comfort and cooling here. Now, some users found it a bit pricey compared to other options. Here's the thing though, the cooling technology offers a unique benefit, especially for those who sleep hot at night. This is perfect for you if you're a hot sleeper needing a cool surface. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Given the technology, it's a justified investment. Now, if you're looking for something compact but effective, let's check out our final mattress. Product number 5. Yanton 12-inch Queen Mattress. The Yanton 12-inch Queen Mattress, priced at $275.99, offers a solid combination of comfort and support. If you're after a balanced, medium-firm feel for your stomach's sleeping needs, this might just fit the bill. This mattress combines adaptive memory foam with pocket coils to provide responsive support. The breathable cover and airflow coils also promote fresh air circulation, which is great for keeping you comfortable. With a respectable 4.4-star rating, it has received positive feedback for its value. Now, some users pointed out it might feel too firm for some. Here's the thing: while it's firm, it's intended to prevent sinking, which stomach sleepers typically struggle with. This is perfect for you if you want a mattress that's easy to set up and provides good support. Now, skip this if you prefer a softer mattress. For what you get, it's a very reasonable price. So we've covered 5 great options for stomach sleepers. The Unite Queen Mattress offers firm support for a budget price, while the SleepMax King-size mattress adds pain relief features. The Sleep 100 Queen Mattress is a steal under $300, and the Sweet Night Cool Nest provides cooling benefits. Lastly, the Yanton 12-inch Queen Mattress balances comfort and support for a fair price. No matter which you choose, you'll be set for a better night's sleep.